Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on automatically download manufacturers apps and icons on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on automatically download manufacturers apps and icons on Windows 11 computer, go to search and in search type advanced system settings and you will find a button for view advanced system settings. Click on view advanced system settings. System properties has been opened. In system property, go to hardware tab and here you will find view installation settings and click on view installation settings option. And here you will find, do you want to automatically download manufacturers apps and custom icons available for this device? And now no is selected, just click on yes and it's recommended. Now click on save settings. Now automatically download manufacturers apps and custom icons on Windows 11 computer is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.